Namaste and hello everyone. So guys, behalf of this February month, let's see guidance with respect to your health, and this will be a general guidance. Let's see what comes up, what cards, what universe and divine wishes to convey you, and we will also see some oracle guidances with respect to your health, which can help you heal, which can help you grow, which can help in taking care of yourself, that is self-care. Let's see. So here's the first card, that is Sun. And guys, with this card I would really like to tell you that please enjoy each moment of your life. Your life is precious, life is unexpected, unpredictable, so please do not just keep on focusing on negative side of your life. If you have a lot of issues also, please do not just focus on that. Focus on the good side of it. Try to look here and there. Obviously there will be good things also in your life. You can be grateful for what you have, for where you live, for your body, for each and everything. Not everyone is that lucky to have those things, so be grateful, be in a positive energy, enjoy each moment of your life. Guys, this will really help you in keeping your health absolutely beautiful, wonderful. Emperor. So guys, with this card I would really like to say, now this reading is with respect to your health. So yes, you need to be the emperor of your body, of yourself, of your health. You need to see, check regularly what signs your body is giving, what it is trying to tell you, and accordingly you need to go for a medical checkup or routine. You need to do some changes with respect to your diet, your sleep pattern, everything. And let me tell you one thing guys, that a lot of people have one very good misunderstanding with respect to health, that if they eat little less, if they only just exercise and all, they will be fit and fine. Yes, that is there, no doubt, no one sense denying it, but also your emotional health and your mental health matters a lot with respect to your health. When it comes, even that matters a lot, even that creates a lot of health issues. Let me tell you this, lot of people, they will keep themselves very fit and fine and everything. They will go to gym, they will do a lot of exercises, still some of them might be having some or the other minor health issues. Why? Are you focusing on your emotional thing? Are you focusing what your emotions are trying to tell you? Are you focusing on your mental state of mind, how it is? Eight of water. Guys, with this card I would say, to keep your health absolutely fit and fine, you need to detach, you need to make distance from such situations, such memories, such people, if possible, who are serving you nothing, who are giving you no positivity. This is what I would say with this card. If you are not able to make distance with certain people, you can set your boundaries and priorities. It's in your hand, completely in your hand, how much energy you have to give them, how much you have to listen to them, how much answers you have to give. This is all in your hand, so obviously you can do this, I think. Queen of water. Guys, with this card I would really say that you need to work on your emotions. Please balance your emotions with this card, I would say, because yes, emotional health, your emotions also matter a lot. If you are not acknowledging your emotions, obviously it will affect your health in some or the other way. Let me tell you this. So Queen of water, please balance your emotions. I would say drink lots of water with the Queen of water. This is what I would say. And please do not go on the gender. This is for male, female, everyone. Eight of air. So guys, please let me know what's going on in your mind. Like, you feel trapped, you are yourself stuck in your own negative thoughts. This is what I'm feeling with this card. Why? Because that is really affecting your mental health. Please do not do that. Whatever is your perspective with respect to your life or any situation, you need to change it. You have this in your hand. You are just making yourself trapped. This is what clearly I feel with this card. You have a way out of it. You can find a way out of it. Please see to that and just stop, you know focusing so much that it's affecting your mental health. 10 of fire. So, guys, with this card, I would clearly say that please do not overburden yourself with respect to work. As you can see this picture very clearly, I guess. I hope this is pretty clear that please do not overburden yourself. That will really give you very bad health issues. How much ever is possible for you, please work only till then. If you are feeling that you are lacking behind or something like this, guys, with this card I would really like to say, for now you might feel all such stuff, but what, when your health, your body stops supporting you, then please from now onwards acknowledge it. Maybe your body is giving some warning signs and you are ignoring it, very bad, but I would say, but please do not overburden yourself. Seven of Fire. Guys, with this card I would really like to say you need to put your some guards down. You're being too stubborn on something, you're being too adamant. Please do not do that. It's affecting you in some or the other way. Try to understand what the situation is trying to explain you, or if it is with respect to any people, some people or specific person also, please try to understand, only then move forward also. But I would say that you need to put your guards down. Don't be so stubborn, guys. Please don't be so stubborn. This is what I would say. Also, please heal your heart. This is what I would say. Go out into greenery, take a walk, take that breeze, pleasant breeze that flows, right? It will really give you a very good vibe. It will change your vibes, vibrations, frequencies slowly and gradually. Awakening. So, guys, with this card, I will say that not everything in whatever is happening in a life is in our control or we can control, right? So, why to stress out on that? Simply surrender it, let go, detach yourself. I'm not telling forget and move on. No, just I said detach yourself, divert your concentration, put your focus on something else, surrender it to the divine and universe. It will really help you, guys. Three of Air. So I feel some of you are grieving over something, you're sad over something, something has happened. And yes, I don't know how long how long it happened, just it's a recent thing, or months back or years back, whatever it is, but you need to learn something from this. This is what I would say. You just cannot keep on just focusing on that very particular thing. Please keep this thing in mind and please move forward. You need to protect your heart. Your heart isn't that cheap, right? It's available for each and everyone, that ever anybody coming in your life and hurting it, ditching it, right? So please take care of it. This is what I would say. Balance yourself, bring the balance between you. Like, if you're eating a lot of things, then you also need to take care that you're having enough water. Or if you are eating a lot of junk food, make sure that it's in a balanced way, it's not happening overeating of junk food. Another thing, if you're eating a lot of organic food, good food, but make sure that you are exercising, you are properly maintaining it. Just don't keep on eating and you're not able to balance it. This is what I would say. Also make and balance with respect to your emotions and mental state of mind. This is what I'm getting. Wise counselor. Here with this card I would like to say, what I'm feeling is that if you have any doubts with respect to your health or something, instead of asking your people around you, or trying to google it or find out, please consult a wise counselor, that is a therapist, that is an expert, a doctor, a specialist, that will really give you a clear clarity, right? Why are you avoiding it? This is what I'm feeling with this card. And yes, whatever is the thing, I would really like to say, whatever like you're going through, try to learn something. Again, I would say learn, like, what is creating that issue, what thing. Instead of just finding out answers here and there, please visit a specialist. This is what I would say. Ego. Please put your ego down. It will give you nothing in life. It will harm you in some or the other way. This is what I would say. You can see the picture is pretty clear. Please let go of your ego, guys, because it's affecting you. Why it is affecting you? Because people around you, they are distancing themselves from you. What is it giving? Loneliness. What is it giving? Isolation. So why this ego, guys? Why? It will affect you very badly. Let me check some oracle deck, how you can take self-care of you. Let's see what message comes up. Okay, so here's the card. Clarify your desire. Be clear about what you want. Do not ask out of lack, but from deepest joy in your heart. Yes, this is a very big message every time, whenever it comes to law of attraction thing, that whatever we wish, whatever we desire, we shouldn't ask universe in that way as if we don't have. Then universe will give you more of lack. Instead, just imagine it or manifest it in such a way as if you have that thing, you are in that energy. This is what has been said to you. If you wish to have a good health, stay in that energy that you have already have a good health. If you are asking with respect to your finances, your love life, or anything, you need to stay in that energy as if you are already there. Yes, your logical mind will try to stop you a lot, but no, you need to literally rub off those thoughts, and only then you can follow this. Queen of Earth. Guys, please try to stay grounded. And how you can stay grounded? You can go for a walk barefooted. Obviously, in your garden, in greenery, this is what I would suggest. Also, you can walk barefooted in your own house. Another thing, please be loving and caring with others. Yes, you need to be practical, but also you need to be loving and caring at the same time, because you cannot be harsh and rude each and every time on everyone, right? Just because you are doing everything, you are facing some issues also. So please consider this and work on this. Let me check out one more message for you guys. Okay, you can affirm this. I am pure magic, and affirm it in such a way that you feel it. Don't just I'm pure magic, I'm pure magic. No, just feel it from bottom of your heart and see the difference. This is what I would say, guys. There's one more thing. Let's see. Okay. Okay, two of the cards have came out here. One is celebrating simplicity and another is greeting wellness. So both of these cards, they have a message. Let me read. For celebrating simplicity, I am more fulfilled when there is less to manage and maintain. Yes, you can affirm this, and yes, also you can follow this. The less you have in your life, the more you're happy, the more you're contented, right? You don't have that stress, that tension, and you have to manage this, that, each and everything. Greeting wellness. Balance is the key to a life of infinite miracles. Very meaningful and mindful messages, guys. Let's see from another oracle what message comes up that will help you with respect to your health. Okay, your soul will find those you are meant to experience life with. So guys, if you are in search of someone or so, your soul will gradually get attracted towards such people with whom you have some or the other purpose also. So please, if you're stressing up with respect to that, then do not do that. Please stop it. Please surrender it. Again, I would say please surrender it to the divine. This is what I would say with the same. Ten of air. So guys, some situation seems to be getting ended or got ended or about to end, and that is where you're stressing a lot. So with this message guys, I would say you can see this, it's a waiting time thing. So maybe the right time has not come for you, and that is why you are going through these phases. When that divine time, your actual time will come, something like this won't happen. But till for now, you need to learn. And another thing what I'm seeing in this message with this particular thing is that some sort of time got over, and maybe you didn't learn your lesson and hence this happened. But here you need to see what it was exactly. You just cannot stay in that energy of, oh my god, I lost something and everything. Well, I understand that very easily, it's not that easy, but you also just need not be stuck over there, because it will affect you after that. See guys, six of air. Maybe whatever you faced after this situation, I see that there will be some calmness coming in your life. So you will be receiving nothing if you are stressing out now. This is what I see. Or else another message here I'm getting is you need to take out time for yourself. Go somewhere on a ride, on a place where is very, where there is a lot of greenery and nature thing, and that is why this picture is there. So please consider this and heal yourself. This is what I would say. So guys, this was the reading with respect to your health, and this was just a general guidance. Let me tell you one thing, I do not take personal health based guidances, because a lot of energies matter when it comes to health guidances. But I felt that a general guidance should be given. That is why from my side I did my best. So thank you so much.